This PetroSkills PetroAcademy skill module discusses scheduling core level. This section explains why this module is important. The project schedule is a project management tool that has several important uses. In the early project development stages, it is a key decision-making tool used to see if a proposed development option can be completed in time to meet a client's need. It also sets the timeline for economic analysis of options. It is an integral part of the work planning for each development stage. It is also a tool that is updated and modified to reflect actual progress and to work around execution challenges. Finally, it is a primary communication tool among the project team and to external stakeholders. An inadequate schedule can lead to poor decision-making and inaccurate communication. The project manager does not need to be an expert scheduler. However, he or she must have enough knowledge to determine if the quality of a schedule is adequate for its intended use. A PM needs to ask probing questions to confirm that associated risks and opportunities with the project have been recognized and reflected in the schedule. The degree of detail and integrity of the technical information, as well as the completeness and correctness of the general project scope definition, is being considered. The schedule is integrated with the other project execution plan (PEP) elements. Often a project schedule is just a pretty picture that does not reflect the appropriate sequencing of activities that are to be completed to produce the scope of work deliverables. To understand how high-quality schedules are to be produced, we will first look at an overview of project scheduling. Then we will examine the overall process and explore the individual steps for creating an initial critical path method (CPM) schedule. We will look at additional adjustments needed to produce a baseline schedule. Finally, we will look at the important topic of updating schedules as the work progresses. Not having good baseline documents such as the scope of work, schedule, and budget leads to driving your project car to a destination you haven't been to before without a map or GPS to guide you. A friend of mine called it managing a project in a fog. If your schedule is inadequate, you will not be able to tell your boss or the ultimate customer when a project will complete. You will not have a basis for determining the impact of scope changes. You will not be able to accurately measure progress. No one wants to be in such a situation. Developing a high-quality schedule is not an easy task. However, understanding how schedules are to be developed and then working to confirm quality is an important PM business skill that can set you apart from the average project manager. This scheduling module will give you the skills needed to ensure a schedule provides the information needed to serve the purpose for which it is created. This module will also give you insight on how to use and update a schedule to manage the work in each stage of a project's development. Let's get started.